Hello everyone. Firstly, thank you for coming. Thank you for your time. Today I will talk about effective workshops and hackathons from the perspective of organizers and participants. I'm Deniz Karakay. Originally from Turkey. I graduated in the Technical University where I did my undergrad in electrical engineering. I'm now doing a master's in medical imaging, and I've been GitHub Campus Expert program since 2020. It has been 4 wonderful years. It's my second year in Hacker. So I'm a hacker, organizer, and instructor. So those are some photos from the last years. Actually, the middle photo is from the last year. I gave a talk about open source in hackathons. And today we are going to talk about how to organize a better workshop. So today we will cover workshops and hackathons, what participants seek, what the organizers aim for, and how to make it more effective. So, workshops and hackathons, the idea is to firstly skill development. So, all the participants try to increase their skill sets to do better products, not only in the hackathon but also in their professional life. So, we are doing this by giving a hands-on learning, and of course, the networking is an inevitable part of this process. And by doing those, the participants are able to enhance their projects. And of course, there is a community building up, like we are in here in Hackathon. So there are different types of workshops popularly done. One of them is retina building, which is pretty popular not only for hackathons but also for your academic life. And also there is, I call it the marketing/presentation workshops. These are really powerful to how to do your pitch better, how to sell your product in a hackathon or in your life. And also, of course, there are many technical ones. I will say intro to Python, GitHub, and some specific APIs. So, what participants see? So this is the important point that most of the participants look for. Since you are organizers, I want to point out this more. So they want to learn immediately. They want to learn immediately and apply what they learn to their project there. They don't want to learn something and most probably they are forgetting after the event is finished. So you need to, as an organizer, provide interactive sessions, and of course collaborating is a must. And the idea is that they prefer really not too long sessions. As a participant of some of the hackathons, like after a boring workshop, I feel like I need to work on my project because hackathons are like 48 hours, it's limited of time. They want to do their project. So I will talk about a bit of human attention span. So maybe you guys heard about this terminology, but this concept refers to a length of a time a person can focus on a task before getting distracted. So this is important. And I want to share some stats. As you can see, the average human attention span in 2000 was 12 seconds, whereas nowadays it's below 8 seconds. And just compare with a goldfish, like the goldfish that you know, it is 9 seconds. So we are more distracted than a goldfish. Can you believe that? And we are trying to do projects and stuff. So we need to be engaged. We need to be on our way to do our things. And there are some other facts about human attention span. So average interview watch time, this is 2.7 minutes. I didn't include reels, so don't think about those. But what do you think about? 10% of people forget their birthday time to time. Can you believe that? I don't know. I can't forget my birthday. It's like forgetting your name. And lastly, the average student attention span in a classroom is 10 to 20 minutes. So this is really important, not only for educational purposes, but also for the workshop. So it should be compact. So organizers, they are trying to secure their sponsorships by giving opportunity to make some workshops, or companies use the opportunity to promote their brands, find solutions to their products. Sometimes they determine the team, and in the end, they are trying to find talented people they will hire. And there are some companies hire from hackathon. So it's a win-win situation, as Smith told us in the morning. And so in the end, we are trying to make workshops more effective. So I will just give the bullet points: secure, knowledgeable instructors. Like, we don't want anyone to just advertise. We want someone who can really teach something, and participants will learn. Plan and engaging content, as I told you, our attention span is so low. We need to be on the track. And it should be compact workshops. And of course, organizers need to create a supportive, inclusive environment for everyone, and of course provide necessary resources. It could be documents, it could be people, and it shouldn't be just during the workshop, it could be after the workshop too. So that's why post-workshop support is really, really important. We don't just want you to start there and end it. We want you to continue after you finish the hackathon and gain that skills. So in the end, of course, feedback. The instructors, organizers have to collect feedback to make it next year better, next event better. So thank you for listening to me. I hope you enjoyed. If you have